Welcome back. Hey, look what we have here this morning. It's National Eggs Benedict Day. We've been talking about this all morning long, and now we have a chance to actually taste some of this and put it together.
Absolutely.
So we have Curly and Jaron here from Over Easy. Good morning to you guys.
Good morning.
Easy, yum.
Yes.
So Over Easy, I'm assuming you make eggs.
You better believe it.
Okay, good. And you're going to show us how to poach an egg and all these different types of Benedicts you have going here. Should we talk about the Benedicts first?
Yeah,
That was pretty
absolutely.
exciting.
So since it's National Eggs Benedict Day, we have 3 additional Benedicts to the 4 that we always have on our menu.
Okay.
We've got the steak Benedict with caramelized onions, jalapenos, our country Benedict, which is like biscuits and gravy with poached eggs, and then we have the California Benedict here with
Wanna
tomato,
show these,
turkey, and
Tommy? I know you're
avocado.
kind of
Avocado.
I'm going to show these down here. So here's the steak one, right here. Look how yummy that is. And then here's your sausage, the way Tom says it. Brats. And then the traditional here with the tots, and then the California over there
Are
at
those
the
sweet
end.
potato tots?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
see?
And this avocado one is almost like for the millennial too. You know what I mean? You got the avocado toast with your eggs Benedict on
Right?
top.
I'm
type of
old.
twist.
I'll eat that too. All right, so you're gonna. The key, really, to me, there's 2 keys to this dish. It's the hollandaise sauce, and it's the poaching of the egg.
Absolutely. We
Okay.
have some tricks for you, some
Okay,
tips
good.
to make it
All
a
right,
little easier.
Let's do it. What do you got?
All right, poaching the egg first. If you want to come over here, this
Okay, you go over
vinegar
there.
here.
Okay, I've never done a good job
So
poaching
you're going to
an egg.
put
Come on over
vinegar
here,
in
Curly.
your
So how much?
simmering
This is what,
water.
like maybe
About
a quarter
cupful.
cup?
Yeah. I mean,
Okay.
it doesn't really matter. It's not going to affect the taste.
All right.
So if you accidentally put in a little too much, it's okay.
It's going to be fine. Absolutely. And then you grab your spoon here.
Okay.
Curly's going to show you.
Create a little bit like this, like a
Oh,
vortex.
is there already vinegar in that
Yes.
one? Okay.
Okay. So why are we doing this? What is that? Oh, you're just stirring the vinegar in.
You're creating kind of a vortex, so when you
Right.
crack your egg in,
crack
it
it.
helps
Just crack it in.
circulate the
Yeah,
egg
you
and it
can
doesn't
use
stick
the
to the
corner right
pan.
here.
Yeah, do it. It's only today, Celeste. Eggs Benedict Day ends tomorrow.
Thank you, Troy.
Okay.
Where's your egg?
I don't. Oh,
Oh,
you're
you got one over
There you
here.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
Come on, today. There we go.
So you just put it in right there.
Yep, just like that.
Oh, wait, look at these eggs. Well done, Curly.
See, I think I've already ruined it.
you
No?
got
No, it's perfect.
Is it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you
Yeah, sorry.
keep it kind of
Continue to do
circulating.
this?
Okay.
Yes.
You keep it kind of going. Yeah, it helps cook it, helps circulate it, helps it not stick to the pan.
Okay.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
See?
Oh, yeah, it is kind of coming
Okay,
together.
so I put 2 eggs. Curly and I put 2 eggs in this
Yes.
one. Is that okay?
You're an overachiever.
So you can, thank you. I'm actually going to take that as a compliment.
Yeah.
So,
So is it done? How long does one need to poach an egg?
Those takes about 3 or 4 minutes.
3 or
Oh,
4
okay.
minutes.
Oh, that's more time than we have.
Absolutely.
So let's
And
take a
then-
raw egg. We'll call this the salmonella surprise.
Oh,
So we put this right
Perfect.
here.
Yes,
Pull it
place
out,
it right
yep.
on top.
Okay.
Ooh. Okay, let's see.
Take care of it.
Let me try mine.
That's actually
Oh,
not
mine might be
Not
done.
too bad.
No.
Mine might be done. Okay, so let's see. Okay, there's one. Well
You know
done.
what?
And then you have your hollandaise here if you want to dress it up.
Okay, so
Okay.
is there a trick to the hollandaise sauce?
So when making your hollandaise sauce, when
Was a
you
little bit
whisk
too
your
much.
egg yolks,
Yeah,
you want
a
to
little
whisk
heavy on
it
the
to about
pour.
triple the volume to incorporate enough air to make your hollandaise fluffy.
Okay.
And then you drizzle if you don't whisk your egg yolks enough, you're going to have like a runny, thin sauce.
Okay, so you want it nice and thick.
Absolutely.
It's so good.
So what are your hours? Are you only a breakfast lunch place? Or
We
just
are
breakfast?
6:30
Okay.
to 2:30, 7 days a week.
Okay. And you are, where's your location?
Biltmore on the corner of 24th and Camelback.
That's a great spot.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, a lot of good restaurants.
We got a
in
great
there.
patio too.
Do you?
We do.
I love a
Oh,
good
you
patio.
do? It's right across the street from the Biltmore.
Yeah, that's exactly
Yeah,
right.
it's right
Yep.
in the corner.
Yep.
Northwest corner.
That is correct.
24th Street in Camelback.
We got to run out and get some breakfast sometime.
Yeah, we do.
All right.
There's
We'll be
another
there.
location.
Oh, that is pretty good. Well, it's great meeting both of you.
Thank you.
Good luck on this Eggs Benedict Day.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Curly. Thank you for
Thank you.
coming in.
Thank
Yeah.
you.